Again in my engineering technical training lesson. Today is lesson number 13. It is reduction of RPM of a motor or anything else. Reduction of its RPM through gear and pinions. Today I shall discuss about these things. A gear is a toothed wheel that transmits force and rotational motion to another gear or to a rack. Therefore, pinion is the smaller gear in a machine pair after serving as the driver that transmits power to a larger gear. When meshed together, the pair can change speed and torque. Okay? As you see in the picture, welcome once. The large toothed wheel is called gear and the less toothed is pinion. In other words, the drive wheel is pinion and the driver is gear. Okay? Clear? The history of invention of gear and pinion wheel starts with the invention of making watches, which took place in automobile and small motors after then. Okay. The process of reducing speed or RPM by pulley is very old. Except industrial machineries, this system is rarely applied on small machines. For example, imagine lowering RPM of a car or bike engine by pulley and belt was possible? Never. So alternative process had come into place. It is with the arrangement of so many gear and pinions to lower RPM step by step. As a bike engine attains RPM over 6 to 12,000 and these are used in hundreds when it comes to front gear and wheels. Okay. If arrangement of these gears and pinion were not invented, then it was not possible to keep automobile engine in a short space. Moreover, it has helped to save energy because through these arrangements we are getting more power than the original power of motor or engines. I am thankful to Maker Tutor for his video inside DC motor. Here you can see how a small DC motor, perhaps of 6 volt, is being slowed by attaching more and more gears one after another. Most important is to mark its last pinion torque, which can lift or drag any substance like a high voltage motor can do. Okay. And this video is of a small 110-volt gear motor which is lying in my store for the last 25 to 30 years. Here too you will notice how the initial speed of the motor, which may be perhaps 2000 to 3000 rpm, is being reduced with the help of setting of so many gear and pinions. I am going to start it. I am giving the line. Okay. Here is the main and it has been slowed so much. Please note that the center of this pinion, which is a smaller one, is attached with this motor shaft, and it rotates one after another so many gears and pinions, and finally it reaches to this point. Okay, one again you see. You again see, this is an induction motor. I have more big gear motor in my workshop still. They are, but those were very big, so I did not brought it to this place. Okay, you are now fully aware that you can slow the RPM of anything, whether it is motor or an engine, with the help of gear and pinions, which I wanted to show it to you. Thank you. In making machines, I did not require set of gears and pinions. If anything was needed, I used worm gear set, which I am going to discuss in my next lesson. However, I used bevel gears to transfer motion at 90 degree. Sometimes the pair was of same size, sometimes a small and a big one. And sometimes I required a rack pinion to enable a part to move to and fro. This was sometimes the rack was of steel, and sometimes it was of nylon too. That is all about pinion and gears. Hope you are following and trying to learn very attentively. I again and again asking you to give attention, as when you will start learning to make machine, there I will have not much time to tell you about how this works. Okay, I shall then just mention you to go through my lesson number this and this. Understand? Please subscribe if you have not subscribed and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.